Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to talk about my experience of the Online Glass Gilding course by Dave Smith. Um, it's been incredible, it really has. It's been an incredible journey from the moment I started doing it. I've been in touch with Dave over some time about doing the in-person workshops down in Devon, um, but obviously COVID happened and this happened and there was a long waiting list, and yeah, it would be lovely to go and work in that workshop next to him, but this course is not far behind being there. It really isn't. I think in the first lesson, you're outside Dave's workshop door with him. He takes you in, shows you around, and from that minute you're just in there and he's with you. The execution of the whole course, the production, everything behind it is second to none, and it's just another level of online course, which I must admit, online courses is something I'm not a huge fan of, but this is just something else. It's another level. I think I've been doing this as a hobby or a sideline for 3 years now, and I thought I've got a good idea. Maybe the course will just teach me stuff I already know. And yeah, there is an element of stuff that I'd learnt the hard way, but it's just expanded. Everything is just so much more than I could have expected, and to be able to create some bits like this is just, it's blown me away. I'm so surprised in myself. Thanks Dave, it's been an absolute pleasure and I can't wait to see what the next course might be. Cheers.